Hey, listen, y'all, if you're struggling with joint stiffness, aches, or limited mobility, I wanted to share how I've been supporting my joint health naturally using turmeric curcumin supplements. This right here is a powerful blend that combines organic turmeric root, concentrated extract, and black pepper for better absorption to help support my flexibility, mobility, and everyday comfort. If you're over 50 or 60 and looking for a simple wellness routine to feel better in your body, this might be exactly what you need. Hey, check out my link in the description box if you're looking to support your joint comfort and flexibility, reduce stiffness from daily activity, and you feel this might be something you want to try. Click the link below. Let's get to today's video. What's up, baby? It's your girl, Sweet Angel, in the kitchen. Y'all, working on seasonings today. And is it just me, or is keeping up with what you got in the seasoning cabinet or wherever you have them at, is that not like a full-time job? Because, you know, we all do this. We have seasonings, we can't find them, and then we buy some more. So today I'm going to organize the seasonings, okay?
Sunlight peeking through my window pane, coffee brewing, got a lot on my brain. Dishes calling, laundry piling high, but this little life is my pride. Sweep the floor, let the music play, got my rhythm in a different way. Ain't no rush, I move with grace, turning this house into my sacred space.
Well, that mission is accomplished, done, and the seasoning cabinet is done. So, kudos there. I got some jars that's left, so I'm just gonna rinse these out, get them cleaned out for extras or whatever I need them for, and that's done. Simple as that. Oh my gosh. I got some containers I need to fill up to my grinders, so I'm gonna do that. And I ain't doing too much in this kitchen today, so that is about it. But if you want to know where I got the seasoning rack from, that is from Amazon. And also the grinders, I'm going to fill those up. Those are from Amazon. I would love to try to get those electric ones, but no big deal on that. This is my syrup for my waffle syrup, so I'm going to fill that up and fill up my little sugar container here, update my honey, and I think these are fine for now. I just have my olive oil in there, vegetable oil, avocado oil, and some rice vinegar over there. So those are fine. But got all of that done. So happy. I'm out. Peace.
I'm building love in every room. I'm taking care of home, yeah. Heart in every corner I roam, yeah. Busy hands, but my soul at peace. This is where I find my peace. Folding dreams in the sheets tonight. Everything gonna be alright. Through the chaos I still believe home is love and home is me. Closet full but I'm letting go, making space so my life can grow. Organizing more than things I see, I'm decluttering inside of me. Fridge stacked up, got it looking right. Little wins feel so big tonight. Every step got a purpose, child. Even tired, I still smile. It's more than just a chore to me. It's healing in simplicity. I'm taking care of home, yeah. Heart in every corner I roam, yeah. Busy hands but my soul at ease. This is where I find my peace. Listen, it ain't about perfection, baby. It's about intention. Every wipe, every fold, every little reset. That's love, that's legacy. Clean it up, clear it out, let it shine. This little life, yeah, it's mine, all mine. I'm taking care of home, yeah. It's my joy, it's my zone, yeah. Oh, yeah. Through the busy, I still breathe. This is where I'm meant to be. Lighting candles, setting vibes tonight. Everything gonna be alright. Through it all, I still believe home is love and home is me. Yeah.
What's up, babes? Oh my gosh, I'm literally crying this morning. The battery's low, so we can't do much recording right now. But listen, I'm getting ready to tackle hubby's bathroom. Girl, what do men do in these bathrooms? Anyway, I got my steamer. Let me show you. Girl, we steaming today. We're going to use the steamer. Just right here. I got this off of Amazon some time ago. I'm not sure if they still have this particular one or not, but this is going to make it fresh. For real. I'll catch y'all in a minute. So I just finished cleaning that bathroom. Y'all, that was a chore. I'm sitting down for some tea right now, some spearmint tea. Y'all know how I feel about it. I've talked about it. If you follow me, then you know the greatness of spearmint tea for that glow, the gut health, the reduction of chin hairs, all of that. But anyway, I have the one that I drink in the description box, and this is my favorite tea bloom cup that I love. And if you're getting ready for Mother's Day, y'all check out Tea Bloom. Check out Tea Bloom. Your mom, if she drinks tea or coffee, hey, find her a cup, find her a teapot, something cute, because you'll find it over there, something very dainty and elegant for your mom. So Tea Bloom, yes. But anywho, that's really all, y'all. I'm zonkered out after doing that. I'm still doing laundry, of course. I cleaned the oven earlier today, as you saw. So I'm done. I'm so done. Okay. I don't think I want to do anything else today. But you never know about your girl, so stick and stay right here and you'll find out what I've been up to. Okay? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
This little life, yeah, it's mine, all mine. I'm taking care of home, yeah. It's my joy, it's my zone, yeah. Oh, yeah. Through the busy, I still breathe. This is where I'm meant to be. Lighting candles, setting vibes tonight. Hey, yeah. Everything gonna be alright. Hey, yeah. Through it all, I still believe. Home is love and home is me. Yeah. Home ain't just a place, it's a feeling.